Good morning and welcome to the chat on Newsday Amarillo and News Channel 10-2. I'm David Lovejoy.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Rhonda Lawnert.
And I'm Chuckalicious, Chuck Williams.
And coming up this week, as part of Sharing Hope Ministries and the City of Amarillo Community Development, the Sharing Hope Ministry is providing a resource fair. It's a great chance to reach out and reach some people who are having struggles in our community. We welcome Miss Kimberly Lester and Alvaro to our show this morning. Good morning, guys. How are y'all doing today?
Good
Hey,
morning.
good morning, doing great. Thank you.
Let me
Yes.
ask you, let me go into this real quick. Just what is the Sharing Hope Resource Fair? And who should attend? Me, anybody? What's up?
Absolutely. Sharing Hope Resource Fair is an opportunity for area agencies in our community to come together to be able to give information about the wealth of resources we do have available to our community. And yes, you should attend. Everyone who may need these resources are our first priority. But then we would also look for community members that maybe work with people in need, law enforcement, clergy, civic organizations, anyone that may need this information so that they can pass it along. We don't know what we don't know. And we're hoping that this event will give people the opportunity to learn what exactly is available to those in our community.
And when you talk about it, I mean, I'm looking and it says maybe 45 local agencies are going to be represented, and this, these are the ones with the resources and the information. Give us an idea of what type of resources you're talking about. What will be represented?
Well, we'll have everything from resources for Medicaid and CHIP, health insurance, housing, utilities, job training, job assistance to find that perfect job, childcare. If you need a car seat, I mean, I don't know if anyone if our young mothers are aware that if you qualify, you can get a free car seat, a crib, those things, parenting classes. We're going to have this public health there giving vaccines to the uninsured free of charge. Addiction recovery, everything that you could possibly imagine. It's gonna be there. So we really hope people will come out and take advantage of this opportunity.
We see this in other entities in our community. You take the High Place Food Bank or Snack Pack for Kids. They set up where they have opportunity resources for meals for kids, and their biggest complaint is nobody showed up or we don't have the numbers. Why is there such a disconnect sometimes in our community between some services and things that people need and those people getting to those resources?
Alvaro, you want to answer this one?
Yeah, sure. So I work with Coming Home. We're an initiative of the city of Amarillo. We provide services for the homeless here in Amarillo. And I know, through what I've heard from the outreach staff, that we meet individuals that just simply have not had those conversations, right? And one of the things we do is we try to meet with them and have the opportunity to have those conversations and let them know of the different services that are available. But outside of that kind of, one-on-one support model, something like this is the best way to get that information to those folks that need it the most.
What special incentives will we offer for those who attend this year's resource fair?
We're going to be offering some really great incentives. First of all, the first 100 families that attend will receive a goodie bag that's full of gifts from all of our participating agencies. We've been collecting the items for the past couple of weeks, and these bags are going to be jam-packed full of just great things that will be benefiting these families. We also are going to be serving burgers beginning at 5 o'clock that day, and while supplies last, you can come out and get a free burger. We'll also have a lot of great door prizes. is if you'll go around and visit the different agencies, fill out our bingo card, you'll be entered for, golly, we've got probably a dozen different door prizes that will be given away that evening as well.
Mhm.
Now,
It's like we talk about, there's nothing for people to do. There's something to do. If you need help, there's places you can get it. At Sharing Hope Ministry, the city of Amarillo, the Coming Home Project is one of the best projects that have ever been conceived by the city of Amarillo. Honestly, it really tackled the issue of homelessness straight on, and it had made great strides to change that. Here's your chance to be a part. Thursday, September 14th, the Amarillo Civic Center Regency Room. It's co-hosted by the Sharing Hope Ministry and the City of Amarillo Community Development. Where can they reach out if they need more information on this event? Where can they reach you guys at?
They can reach us at our offices at Sharing Hope Ministry. The number is 806-358-7803. And we would be happy to answer any questions they may have. The Regency Room, if they're interested, is actually on the east side of the Civic Center. I would enter through entrance number 4. That would be the closest entrance to the room itself.
That's it. Don't want to miss it. The Sharing Hope, a resource fair, September 14th. You got burgers and you've got a chance to get that helping hand. Guys, thank you so much for being with us this morning.
Thank you.
All
Thank
right.
you.
We're going to take a break. We'll be back with more chat right here on Newsday Amarillo and News Channel 10-2.